Western. Vantage line, Mull kit instructional video. Before you begin, please make sure you read the instructional manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and installation tips. Please note, the rough opening must be waterproofed in accordance with AMA, Installation Masters Standards, flashing and sealant manufacturer instructions, and must meet local building codes. Some steps might require 2 people for assistance. We recommend all Western products to be installed by experienced professionals. The following parts are included with your Mull kit. The following tools and hardware are recommended for this procedure. Step 1. Joining 2 or more units together. The Mull kit can be used for both vertical and horizontal windows, as well as doors. Begin by placing the Mull clips between both windows. Insert the Mull clips on the channels of the windows. Snap them in place. Once the clips are in place, add sealant along the edges of both Mull clips. Next, snap the windows together. Make sure the windows snap completely, ensuring a snug engagement of the snap feature. If the windows do not snap together by hand, use clamps to aid in the snapping process. Next, place a foam backer in the head of the unit in the gaps between the 2 windows. The foam backer will need to be torn to fit in the gap. Make sure the foam backer is 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch deeper than the top of the frame. If there is another gap big enough for a foam backer, then you might need to add another piece. If the gap is small enough, only add sealant as needed. Once the foam backers are fully installed, seal the foam backer in place with sealant, covering the backer entirely with a 1/4 inch layer of sealant to avoid any leaks. Make sure to add sealant on the mulling gaps as well. Repeat these steps on the bottom of the unit and place foam backers in the sill and slash or jambs of the unit. Step 2. Prepping the rough opening. Locate the rough opening and use a hand level to ensure the rough opening is level. Use a tape measure and measure for squareness. At the bottom of the rough opening, apply sill flashing. Make sure to apply flashing in appropriate weather-resistant barrier material per AMA Installation Master's Handbook. Cover fully with flashing as required. Step 3. Installing the windows. Begin by applying sealant to the outside perimeter of the rough opening. With some assistance, set the window in place. Make sure the window is fully in place and check that the unit is square, plumb, and level. Shim as needed. Once the window unit is in place, secure all nail fins to the frame of the rough opening using self-tapping screws. The first screw should be 3 inches from the corner, followed by 12 inches off center for the next screw. All screws and nail fin edges should be sealed when anchoring is complete. Next, lay a steady bead of sealant along the entire length of all nail fins on the head. After applying sealant, place the drip cap on top of the frame and make sure it's flush with the nail fin and the frame. Once the drip cap is in place, apply sealant to the underside as well as both outer edges. Ensure a complete seal. Once the window unit is in place, cover all corners using corner gaskets and make sure the gaskets cover the drip cap and nail fin as much as possible. Attach all corner gaskets. Next, locate the bottom of the unit and install the mullion bridge. Lay a bead of sealant on the foam backer, the edges of the nail fins near the gap between the nail fins, and in the gap between the nail fins. Place a mullion bridge on top of the frame, making sure there is sealant between every surface it touches for a proper seal, and make sure it is flush with the nail fin and the frame. Congratulations! The mulling process is now complete. Upon completion of installation, ensure all connections are tight and secure in accordance with the installation manual. For more information, give us a call or visit us online. Thank you for choosing Western.